That's me, brought to life in the style of one of the most popular cartoon series you've ever seen. And the best part, this entire scene was created with AI 100% for free. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn yourself into a character from one of the most iconic cartoon series ever made. We'll go step by step and create your own animation using free AI tools. No drawing skills, no paid software, just your photo and a bit of creativity. It is fun, easy, and you'll be surprised how good the results are. Before we dive into the project, let me show you something really cool, especially if you're building an app and want to make it more interactive and dynamic. There is a platform called ZEGOCLOUD that I've been trying out, and honestly, it's super powerful if you want to add real-time communication features without all the complicated setup. You can use it to add high-quality audio calls to your app, whether it is one-on-one or group voice chats. It is fast, reliable, and the audio quality is top tier, even with low bandwidth. Then there is video calling. Again, you get high-quality video with low latency, and it's super easy to integrate into whatever tech stack you're using. React Native, Flutter, Web, you name it. But what really makes it stand out is the AI-powered conversations. You can build smart, interactive chat experiences using their conversational AI tools. Perfect for things like virtual assistants, customer support, or just making your app feel more intelligent and responsive. Now here's the best part. When you sign up, ZEGOCLOUD gives you 10,000 free minutes to get started. The registration is super simple. You go to their website, click sign up, and fill out a short form, name, email, company name, and a couple of other quick fields. That's it. Once you're done, you'll get instant access to your dashboard, and the free minutes will be applied to your account automatically. I've dropped two links below. The first one takes you directly to the 10,000 minutes offer, and the second one lets you explore everything ZEGOCLOUD has to offer in more detail. So if you're working on something social, educational, or just want your app to communicate better, definitely give ZEGOCLOUD a try. Alright, first things first, before we jump into any fancy tools or editing, we need to create the visuals. And for that, we're going to use ChatGPT. Now, I've already prepared one of my photos, a simple portrait of myself, and the goal is to turn it into a full Simpsons-style cartoon scene. Something fun, bright, and totally vacation mode. To do this, we'll use a prompt that describes the image we want to generate in detail. Here is the exact prompt. Create a Simpsons-style cartoon image format landscape 16 by 9, inspired by the attached photo of a bald man with a beard. He is relaxing on a beach lounge chair wearing a tropical shirt with palm tree prints and green shorts. The character should be looking straight at the viewer with a relaxed expression. Set the scene on a bright sunny day with a clear blue sky, turquoise ocean, soft beach sand, and several palm trees in the background. Place a colorful cocktail with a straw and umbrella on a small side table next to him. The overall vibe should feel cheerful, warm, and like a perfect vacation moment. Now all you need to do is upload an image of yourself and run this prompt through ChatGPT's image generation feature. It might take a few seconds to process, so give it a little time. And here we go. Just like that, we've got a cool and laid-back Simpsons-style cartoon image of myself, chilling on the beach. It looks super fun, the colors pop, and the vibe is exactly what I was going for. Now that we've created our first fun visual on the beach, it's time to switch gears and generate a second scene, one that reflects a more realistic setting where I actually work and create content. This time I want to show myself in a clean, modern workspace, just like many YouTubers or content creators do, sitting at my desk and ready to talk. To generate this new visual, we're going to follow the same process. Here is the exact prompt I'm going to use. Create a Simpsons-style cartoon image format landscape, of the same bald man with a beard, inspired by the attached photo. He is sitting in a minimalist YouTuber-style working room with a laptop in front of him and a professional microphone on the desk. Don't display the cocktail. The character is looking straight at the viewer with a confident, friendly expression. Dress him in a stylish hoodie with the text Code and Create clearly displayed in the center. The room should have a clean, modern setup, soft lighting, maybe a plant or two, shelves or wall panels in the background, matching the aesthetic of a professional content creator's workspace. Once again, just upload your photo and run this prompt through ChatGPT's image generation. Here it is. The result looks pretty good. A professional YouTuber-style cartoon image of me sitting in a cool workspace with all the creator vibes. Now it's time to bring our cartoon visuals to life. There are several AI video generators available out there, but for this project, my personal favorite is Kling AI. It delivers really solid results, especially when it comes to simple animations like character lip sync and head movement. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to sign up and create a Kling AI account. The good news is, once you register, you'll immediately receive 166 free credits, which is not a lot but enough to get started. After logging in, go ahead and click the Create button. This will take you to the main dashboard, and from there you'll want to select the video section in the left-hand menu. You'll land on a dashboard. At the top you'll see three tabs: text to video, image to video, and multi-element. Make sure you're in the image to video tab. Right in the center there is a box where you can upload your image. Below that is a text field labeled prompts, where we will input our instructions, and underneath you can select your video preferences like mode, duration, number of outputs, and so on. Let's start by animating the first image we created, the beach scene. Upload the image and enter the following prompt. Animate this Simpsons-style character sitting on a beach chair, looking straight at the viewer. Add natural lip sync for calm, friendly speech with only slight mouth movement. Include occasional eye blinking and very subtle head movement, nothing exaggerated. The animation should remain minimal, smooth, and relaxed to match a laid-back beach vibe. Keep the camera static, no zooms or movement. In the settings, choose Mode Standard, length 10 seconds, and output 1. Click Generate and the system will begin processing. Each 10-second video costs 40 credits, so you will still have enough left to animate more. Let's give it a few moments. And here we go. The video is ready, so let's go ahead and check it. Honestly, it looks pretty good, just like we described in the prompt. Now let's move on to animating this second image, the one where I'm working in the YouTuber style office setup. Upload that image and enter this new prompt. Keep the camera static, no zooms or movement. Animate this character in Simpsons style, talking calmly and friendly while looking straight at the viewer. The animation should have natural lip sync and minimal body movement, just smooth head and mouth motion as if casually explaining something. Now hit generate and wait for a few seconds. And here it is. Let's check again the video. Well, another pretty solid result. This one is perfect for the explaining or tutorial part of your video. Now that we've animated our scenes, it's time to take things a step further and make the animation feel even more realistic. And that means syncing the character's mouth movement with actual audio. Fortunately, Kling AI has a built-in lip sync feature that makes this process incredibly smooth. You'll find it right beneath the video preview area after generating your animation. Let's go ahead and click the lip sync button. This will open up a new panel where you'll find several options for customizing the voice. Kling gives you a variety of pre-built AI voices to choose from, male and female voices, different tones like dramatic, energetic, corporate, and more. These are great if you want to generate a voice from text directly within the platform, but in our case, I've already prepared a custom voice recording, which gives the animation a much more personal and natural feel. So we'll be using the Upload Local Dubbing option. Click on that button and then upload your 10-second audio clip straight from your computer. Once the upload is complete, you will see two small icons appear next to the audio track preview. One lets you edit the audio, giving you the ability to trim the beginning or end, or fine-tune the timing to perfectly match the video. The other icon lets you delete the clip in case you need to re-upload or replace it with a corrected version. So take a moment here to preview the audio and ensure that it fits your scene, both in tone and timing. Once everything looks and sounds right, go ahead and hit the generate button again. This time the lip sync process will cost 10 credits, which is honestly very fair considering how powerful and useful this feature is. Give it a couple of minutes to render. And here it is, the final version. We'll go step by step and create your own animation using free AI tools. Now the character's mouth movement is fully synced with your voice, and it really brings the scene to life. It feels like the character is actually speaking, making your animation far more dynamic and engaging for the viewer. With the lip sync added, we now have both a professional looking visual and natural sounding audio, which is exactly what you want for a high quality animated video. Alright, so once you've brought your cartoon scene to life and synced the voiceover using Kling AI, there is one small thing you'll probably notice in the final video, the watermark. You'll see a small Kling AI logo tucked into the bottom right corner of every rendered clip. Now, to be completely fair, that's totally expected. Most free AI video generators do the same. But here is the good news. You can remove that watermark, and in some cases you can do it completely for free if you're smart about it. Let me introduce you to a super helpful tool called Vmake AI. This platform is specifically designed to remove watermarks from videos using AI, and the best part is, if your clip is 5 seconds or shorter, Vmake lets you remove the watermark at no cost. Now here is the thing, our animated clips from Kling AI are 10 seconds long, which means they don't qualify for free full-length removal. But there is a simple workaround. You can split each clip into two 5-second segments, upload them separately to Vmake AI, remove the watermark from both, and then stitch them back together afterward using a basic video editor like CapCut. Well, it is a few extra steps and it can feel a bit tedious if you're doing this a lot, but it works. Now, if you worked with ChatGPT generated visuals before, especially in landscape format, you've probably noticed that the aspect ratio isn't always a perfect 16:9 match. You often need to make slight adjustments to your canvas size during editing anyway, so here is what I personally recommend. If you're okay with losing just a tiny bit of the bottom edge of your video where the watermark appears, you can simply zoom in slightly or reposition your video frame in CapCut or any editor and crop the watermark out entirely. No need for additional tools, no loss of quality, and no export limitations. This method is quick and clean, and it works particularly well if you already plan to add cinematic black bars, adjust the framing, or stylize your video in post-production. On the other hand, if you want to preserve every pixel of your video exactly as it was generated and avoid cropping completely, your best move is to use Vmake's 5-second free export feature. Here is how it works. Head over to Vmake AI, upload your 5-second video clip and let the AI process and clean up the watermark. When it's done, you'll be given two options: download preview for free and download full video, which is a paid plan. Since our clips are trimmed to exactly 5 seconds, the free preview download is perfect. Click it, save the video, and that's it. If we play the video, you will notice that the watermark is gone. So whether you go the cropping route or take advantage of the free Vmake trick, you've got solid options to deliver clean, watermark-free animations without spending a dime. And there we have it. We've gone through the full process step by step, showing you how to create your very own Simpsons-style character using just a photo of yourself and some amazing free AI tools, from chilling on a beach with a tropical drink to sitting at a modern YouTuber-style desk and actually talking to the camera. We proved that bringing your cartoon version to life is not only possible, but also incredibly fun and accessible. So if you enjoyed this video or learned something new today, make sure to leave a like. It helps the video reach more people who might find it useful. And if you're into web development, AI tools and creative tech tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and of course I love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.